Hello everyone, and thank you for purchasing Poli Glow. I'm Lenny.
And I'm Carmine.
And we are the owners of Poli Glow. We want to welcome you to the Poli Glow family. We're a group of driven individuals passionate about helping boat and RV owners bring back their fiberglass color, shine, and protection, giving them increased value and pride of ownership. You are going to get the most brilliant shine on your boat or RV. It's going to look brand new. The value of your boat is going to go up. You are going to Poli Glow like a pro. Poli Glow is going to give you superior fiberglass restoration, protection, and shine.
For a gloss that's boss.
Hey, for a gloss that's boss, you know what I'm saying?
One more time. For a gloss that's boss.